Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how the rear centre seatbelt works, because it's a little bit confusing. This is a BMW 2 Series, a 2025 model. So you might have noticed that there's another little seatbelt just here, and you're wondering what on earth is that for? Well, that is so you can properly secure the middle seatbelt here. So we're going to pull it out from the back here. There's a nice little bit there that you store it away so it's not flapping around the place, and we're going to bring this down and we're going to put this little seatbelt into this one here, so that clips in there like so, and then this is going to go across the person and it's going to go into here like so. So you can now see that that is a proper seatbelt like that. Yep, in fact I'm just going to jump in to show you. So you can see it's in there, that comes over me, then goes into here, and now you can see I'm properly secured in here. Now when you're finished, you're going to undo that, and then on this little seat belt here, some people will just leave it like that, but if it's rarely used, what you can do is you can get the other seat belt, or even this seat belt here, and you can go down and you can press in on this red thing here using this. So if you press in here, it releases it. So you can see it locks in here, and then you're going to use another seat belt, or this one here, to press in to release it. And then when it comes to this top bit here, if you use the small one, and if you put the small one into that little container just at the back here, can you see then it puts it out of the way and it's not going to be flying around the place when you're going around corners. So that's it, that's how to use the seatbelt on the middle here. And again, you can push this one just down here so it doesn't annoy the person that's sitting here. Thanks for watching.